Medaco work entirely in the healthcare sector, predominantly with care home groups, with special schools and with NHS trusts, and we offer service and maintenance for their patient handling and lifting equipment. For each of our customers, there are clients, there are people at the end of this, and their quality of life is affected. Typically within a service maintenance contract, it's the small things that turn into larger issues. If you can make sure that issues are resolved quickly, it minimises the impact on any downtime or any impact on any service users.
We want to provide the best suited solution for the customer's requirements. Once the equipment's installed, it makes a difference. It's easier for the staff because it's an easier piece of equipment to use, but it gets the person from one position to the next as smoothly as possible so that the hoisting time is minimised for the end user.
The systems and the processes we have at Medaco are designed to make sure that you never go out of compliance and that your equipment is absolutely up to speed.
Our clients have very busy schedules, so we like to take away the asset management for them and manage that as much as we can, right from servicing to breakdowns to remedial works. It gives them one less thing to worry about. We believe in ongoing communication, consistency to ensure compliance for their equipment and making sure that equipment downtime is minimised as much as possible.
Our team ensures the process of logging a call out right the way through to completion runs smoothly, efficiently and hassle-free for our customers. This consists of working proactively to provide our customers with a first call or first email resolution. So when a call out is first reported, we provide an attendance date and confirm that this is convenient on the initial contact. This makes the customer reporting process super quick and allows the customer to know where they stand without having to worry about when the issue is going to be resolved.
Medaco have been in the business for 30 years, so we've built up a large network of suppliers. When we need parts, we get them quickly. We keep the customer informed of the progress of each job as it comes up. We can give them assurance that the parts that we get are accurate by using our systems. So when we tell them that the job's going to be done, we can do it with confidence.
To deliver superior customer service, you've got to be absolutely laser focused on what you want to achieve for your clients, and that has been our focus for the last 5 years and continues to be so.